You guys, we made one ingredient protein ice cream. Hey y'all, I'm back with my Instant Pot ice cream maker today. I wanted to try an experiment. I've been just pouring stuff into this thing to see what happens when I freeze things like lemonade and soda. And today I wanted to do a protein drink. So I got this chocolate almond protein smoothie from Trader Joe's, and let's just go ahead and pour this in here and see what happens. I'm hoping it turns out to be like a frozen protein smoothie. So yeah, let's do it. Oh, but first I want to introduce myself. I'm Veronica, a former professional chef turned homemaker, and I love sharing all kinds of small kitchen appliance tutorials. I have a whole playlist here on YouTube with the Instant Pot Instant Chill ice cream maker. I've been making so many different things in this, and I share all kinds of tips and tricks for assembling it and washing it. So be sure to check out my playlist. And if you don't have one of these and you want to get one, check out the link in the description below. It's my affiliate link, and thank you for supporting my channel by using my affiliate links to purchase. So let's go ahead and just pour this in. Now, there's all these different buttons here, and I'm guessing this one right here, it's kind of like a soft serve ice cream style thing. That's probably going to be the best one for this protein smoothie. So I'm just going to press that. I'm going to turn this on. The best thing about this machine is literally I don't have to pre-freeze anything. Like you can see, this just came out of the refrigerator. I'm just going to go ahead and pour this in and let it run for about 20 minutes and see what happens. Now, when you're making ice cream, normally you put a lot of sugar in it. This has some added sugar, so that might help, but this is probably going to be more like a frozen frappe type of protein smoothie, but this is going to be so fun to have for summertime. So I'm going to share updates with you on this as it progresses. So let's let it run. But also, while that machine's running, I just wanted to show you all these other drinks that I just bought at Trader Joe's. I'm going to be pouring these into the Instant Chill ice cream maker in upcoming videos, so be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for even more Instant Chill recipes, because this thing is so awesome. It makes making homemade ice creams and sorbet so quick and easy, and it also has a dairy-free button. So if you're dairy-free like me, this has been such a game changer for being able to enjoy homemade dairy-free vegan ice cream. All right, it's been 18 minutes, and if I wanted to add any mix-ins, right now would be the time. We're gonna let it go its full cycle. Hey, it's giving me an error sign in the last 5 seconds, so let's go ahead and turn it off and see what this turned out like. It's kind of fun to think about. Oh, it's pretty frozen on the bottom. Okay, I was able to get it off. It's pretty fun to think about like enjoying a protein smoothie as like an iced treat instead of drinking it. Okay, so it's pretty frozen on the bottom here. This machine actually makes rolled ice cream, which means that it gets really cold on the bottom. I probably should have stopped it about 2 minutes ago, but here's what it looks like on the top. I'm just gonna basically let this sit for probably about 5 minutes, and it should thaw out enough to be able to scoop all of it out. But look at this. It's like nice frozen protein smoothie. I'm going to be able to put that in a bowl and enjoy it just like that. And I'll show you what it looks like after 5 minutes of thawing. Okay, so actually it has only been like 1 minute, and I'm able to actually scrape under the bottom here. Oh, this is going to be good. All right, look at that, you guys. We made one ingredient protein ice cream in 20 minutes without pre-freezing anything. Look at that. That is so fun. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I want to try some other protein drinks now in here. Well, I hope that you found this video useful. If you want to get your own Instant Pot Instant Chill ice cream maker, be sure to check out the links in my description below, and also check out my Amazon storefront for even more small kitchen appliances and cooking equipment that I use for my family. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.